Hello to everyone, guys. My name is Arthur. I'm CEO and founder of B2Broker group of companies. And today I would like to elaborate about crypto payments in the Forex industry. So I would like to emphasize on a couple of very serious points that you will need to take into your consideration. So, few words about our company. What is B2Broker as of today? Today, B2Broker, it's an ecosystem. So we have technology direction and we do software development for different aspects of the crypto and Forex industry, which is B2Core. It's a trader's room for brokerage companies, B2Trader, matching engine trading platform, B2Copy, it's a copy trading platform, and so on. So Marksman Hub, it's a liquidity spot aggregator hub for the cryptocurrency exchanges. So through Marksman Hub, you are able to aggregate liquidity from the crypto exchanges and create your own crypto spot liquidity pool. Then, of course, we do run payment business, and B2B in Pay now, it's one of the well-known cryptocurrency payment processing provider in the industry. So B2B in Pay now, it's a top 3 cryptocurrency processing. We do have also merchant acquisition through our B2Broker venture capital fund. And of course, we run liquidity business, and we have prime of prime different regulated entities in certain jurisdictions through which we provide liquidity to all our clients, brokers, liquidity providers, and so on. So let's begin our conversation about crypto payments. And as you can see here, we realize the correlation between the challenges and difficulties that all the companies, and especially high-risk businesses, which are Forex brokers, and they are going through all these difficulties. And this is why, while they are going through all these difficulties, because every year new challenges appear on the market, in terms of banking solutions. So this is why you can see that crypto is growing very fast because of these challenges. So which means banks, and of course not banks, but regulators and all the legislation for the banks, they created they helped to boost this growth of the crypto. Here you can see also the volumes, transaction volumes. The fiat volume, like fiat transactions in terms of volume, has grown for the 5 years just for 30%. And guys, it's not because the fiat transactions volumes has grown because of more people started using more transactions or started making more transactions. Not because of this, just because of inflation. But crypto, as you can see, for the last 5 years has grown for more than 1,400%. It's a very super impressive numbers. Then overall market capitalization. This is also, it's very important indicator which shows us that Bitcoin, Ethereum, and key stable coins, its overall capitalization went down for BTC, because as you can see in 2018, for example, Bitcoin capitalization was 86%. Now Bitcoin capitalization went down, and Bitcoin and Ethereum both together now it's less than 60%. So what does it mean? It means that the crypto became more, it's already mass adopted, and now more and more companies they started using crypto for the payments, for the settlements, for the withdrawals, for the payouts, and especially stable coins. So you can see now it's already 110 billions capitalization of stable coins. And it's clear because stable coins, they don't have fluctuation. They don't so volatile as crypto, as a Bitcoin, as Ethereum. And this is why now on the market you can see regulated stable coins, unregulated stable coins, and decentralized stable coins. Of course, everything has advantages and disadvantages. Regulated stable coins, what does it mean? It means that the emittent of the stable coin, which means the company who is issuing all these stable coins on the market, they are regulated, and all these regulated stable coins, they are backed by real dollars, which means, for example, USDC. As for now, it's already 28 billions of dollars, which means somewhere in some banks there is 28 billions dollars which are backing these USDC stable coins. And don't forget, guys, that USDC, yes, it is regulated stable coin, but this regulated stable coin based on decentralized blockchain, which means it's a centralized token based on decentralized blockchain. What does it mean, centralized token? Centralized token means that the company who is in charge with this stable coin, they can potentially block your transaction, or they can potentially block your asset on the particular address. This is why it's called centralized token. Because this token based on decentralized blockchain, they reverse back the transaction, but they can block the tokens on the particular addresses. They have a rights and they can do that. Unregulated stablecoin. For now, the most well-known unregulated stablecoin, it's a USDT, and as you can see, capitalization has grown dramatically. As for now, as for today, it's already more than 67 billions. And every day you can see the growth of the transactions in terms of stable coins. Because now it's these stable coins, they give to all the brokers, to all the high risk businesses opportunities to make transactions fast, secure, and very cheap. And you don't need to, provide all these 100 pages supporting documentation to the banks to justify all these transactions. And of course, you can see decentralized stablecoin, which is the most well-known decentralized stablecoin. It's a DAI, and DAI, it's a decentralized stablecoin based on decentralized blockchains. Of course, all these blockchains, they are presented not only one blockchain. They are presented across all the blockchains, such as Tron, such as Binance Smart Chain, and Ethereum, and even USDT presented on the Omni as well. So let's speak now about difference between credit card processing and cryptocurrency processing. So as you can see here, the major coins, stable coins, and card payments. Here I wanna point out why many brokers, they already started using stable coins to accept deposits from their end users. It is very important because as you can see here, card processing, there are so many disadvantages, so many blockers which stop or slow down your business operations. And stable coins, instead trying to help you, or it's helping you to speed up and boost your business operation by it's fast and secure. There is no chargebacks, because chargebacks, as you can see on the card processing, it's a very big pain for all the Forex brokers, isn't it? I think all of you know about all these headaches with the chargebacks. So on crypto processing, you don't have anymore this problem. And same stuff with the rolling reserve. So basically, when you accept payments through the credit card, you have to pay commission to the PSP. It's around 5% for the high-risk business. Then you gotta also put on the rolling reserve, depends on the provider, from 5% to 10%. So basically, you lose from every $1,000 of the deposits, you lose immediately 15%. So in crypto side, you pay commission just 0.5% approximately, and you have immediate access to all these available funds after you receive the deposit. For example, you received $1,000 from your user as a deposit to the trading account for MetaTrader, so whatever. So from this $1,000, you pay $50 commission, or even less, $5 commissions to the cryptocurrency payment processing company, and then $999 you withdraw, or it's available balance to do payout or settlement. So you see, you save every time $149 from each $1,000. So this is why now you can see tremendous growth of using cryptocurrencies, and especially stable coins, which is very common now. So I would like to introduce our system. It's a B2B in Pay, which will help you to start accepting cryptocurrency payments for your businesses. It might be Forex broker, cryptocurrency broker, any, I don't know, regulated casino, and all such kind of e-commerce service. So B2B in Pay, second version. So first of all, of course, we adjusted the process of accepting crypto. And but the most major updates that we have done for the second version, we integrated a lot of new cryptos. We integrated all major stable coins, and they are available across all the major blockchains. So we started accepting tokens for the merchant solution, because on the first version it used to be only coins and stable coins. Now you as a merchant, you as a Forex broker, you can start accepting not only coins and stable coins, but also all major tokens. Because right now, as I showed you before, the crypto market already has changed. And if just 5 years ago, even 4 years ago, it was only Bitcoin transactions and Ethereum transactions. Now, as I showed you, Bitcoin and Ethereum capitalization, it's already below than 60%, which means all the users and crypto traders, they started using, besides of stable coins, they started using also tokens. So, enterprise solution. This is for the crypto exchangers, for the crypto wallets, and for the maybe crypto brokers as well. Basically, enterprise solution designed for the companies who don't need to exchange all the coins and stable coins into the fiat currency or any kind of stable coin. So they need to keep all the assets from the users as is. I will explain you on the next slide what is the difference between merchant and enterprise, but the thing is that here, the second version of enterprise solution, it's basically your gateway, your one single access through one admin panel to all blockchain. What does it mean? So here, basically, you get one comprehensive and very detailed API. This API can be integrated with your any kind of service. Crypto broker, crypto exchange, crypto wallet. Or, for example, you decided to launch your cryptocurrency exchange. In order to be able to accept deposits, to provide wallets to your users, you have to have your system integrated with all the blockchains. Here, through one single API, you have access to all these blockchains. So we already made all those integrations. We already designed the logic for you. We already created all the API calls that can easily be integrated with any kind of your service. And through one admin panel, you have access to all of this. Of course, there are many settings, features. I'm not going to explain in detail this now because it will take another hour. So that's the coins and tokens that I was talking about that are available now on both versions. It's a merchant and enterprise. Of course, it's all major coins such as Bitcoin, Zcash, Ripple, Litecoin, Ethereum, and so on. Of course, it's all liquid tokens, and all these tokens now, they became very popular as well. I can agree with you that all these tokens, they are using mostly as trading related assets, let's say investment assets, instead of like transaction assets. Yes, I agree for this, but still some of the users, they keep all these tokens and they would like to make a payment in those tokens as well. Then stable coins. As I said, we do accept all the major stable coins now on the market, which is Binance USD. It's a regulated, centralized stable coin based on decentralized blockchains. It's a Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, and Tron, and it's Ethereum cost. Then Pax Dollar. The Pax Dollar, it's also American regulated centralized stable coin, again based on decentralized blockchains, which is Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. Of course, now why all the tokens they moved to Binance Smart Chain as well? Because they are saying, the Binance Smart Chain, they are saying that they are much faster and much cheaper. But guys, don't forget, the Binance Smart Chain, it's a 100% copy of Ethereum blockchain. They, you know, for us, it took like maybe 2 minutes to integrate Binance Smart Chain because it was just copy of Ethereum blockchain. So what all we need to do, so we just we just change the credentials and put the new credentials to Binance Smart Chain. That's it. So this is why now Binance Smart Chain is much faster and much cheaper, because this blockchain is not so load as Ethereum blockchain. As soon as the Binance Smart Chain hit the same level of the transactions and the same level of the loading, then they will face same problems unless they implement new changes, which I really hope they're gonna do, you know. Then USDT, as I said, this is the most popular unregulated centralized stable coin based on decentralized blockchains such as the Omni, Tron, and Ethereum. And of course, USDC, it's a regulated stable coin. What is the difference between regulated and unregulated? The unregulated stable coin, which is USDT, for example, it's a company called Tether, which are affiliated with Bitfinex exchange. Everybody knows Bitfinex, right? And why everybody calls them as an unregulated stable coin? Because Tether company, they cannot prove that they really have these $67 billion somewhere in order to back this stable coin, which means if something happens to Tether, then all this token will just disappear and you will not be able to exchange to the dollars. This is why we call this USDT as an unregulated stable coin. But still, this is the most popular stable coin in terms of transactions. Regulated stable coins, they have the companies who backed by these regulated stablecoins, they have obligations to redeem all these tokens and give you instead fiat equivalent of these tokens. So this is the difference. Also, I heard like a couple of questions on the booth about what is the difference between central bank digital currencies and stable coins. So CDBC against stable coins. Okay, here there is the only one major difference. The CDBC, it's tokens based on centralized blockchains which controls by governments or by central banks with centralized token. So it's a centralized token based on centralized blockchains. That's the CDBC, because central bank controls this. Stable coins, it's a centralized tokens, but based on decentralized blockchains. That's the difference. But of course, any central bank potentially can issue their stable coin, and they can call this stable coin as a CDBC, right? Central bank digital currency. But they cannot allow the third party control the blockchain. This is why all the CDBC will be based on the master chain. The master chain, it's a centralized blockchain which will be designed especially for the central banks. So, as I promised you, I'm going just to briefly tell you what is the difference between merchant solution and enterprise solution. The merchant solution, you as a merchant, you as a Forex broker, by integrating this merchant solution, you will be able to start accepting crypto. And even if you don't want to even touch the crypto, you can choose, for example, euro or dollar, and all the cryptos that your users will be sending to you, B2B Pay will be converting automatically into your chosen target currency. For example, you chose euro, and all the users will be sending crypto. Every system will be converting these cryptos to euro, and B2B Pay on the next working days will do settlement to euro. If you chose, let's say, stable coins, everything you accept from your users will be converted to stable coins, and of course, stable coins is available for the payouts and settlements immediately, right after 1 minute that your users send the funds to you. Okay, guys, I'm running out of time, so this is why the difference. We have a video on our YouTube, and we have a booth there, so we will be delighted to explain the difference. I just wanna tell last one tip to you guys, and this is the very good news for the payment companies. For example, who is running their credit card processing business. So we are delighted to announce that we released white label solution of our B2B Pay. Because now B2B Pay, it's one of the biggest cryptocurrency payment provider. So around 500 brokers, they are using B2B Pay as their cryptocurrency provider and as their cryptocurrency processing service. And now we released white label solution. So any payment, credit card payment, or any AMI, electronic money institutional company who is going to launch their cryptocurrency payment business, so they can come and take our white label solution, and they will be able to do everything what we are able to do, but under their brand. They can open the accounts for their merchants, okay? So guys, it was very nice to talk to you. Thank you very much for your attention, and stay in touch. Bye-bye. Thank you.